If you want to delete saved searches on X, formerly Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. Whether you want to remove one recent search or clear the entire search history, the process is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your X account on your phone or computer. Once you're signed in, look for the search bar at the top of the app or website. This is where all of your recent and saved searches appear when you tap into it. To delete one saved or recent search, tap or click inside the search bar so your recent searches show up. Scroll through the list until you find the search you want to remove. When you see it, look for the small X icon next to that search term. Click that X, and that single search will be removed from your recent search list right away. If you want to delete all of your recent searches at once, tap or click inside the search bar again to open the full list of recent searches. Near the search history section, you should see a Clear All option. Click Clear All, and X may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, all of your recent searches will be cleared from the list. This is a great way to clean up your search history, keep your account organized, or simply remove searches you no longer want showing up in your suggestions. It's also useful if you share a device and want to keep your search activity private. Just remember, there is a difference between recent searches and bookmarked content or liked posts. Clearing your search history only removes the searches from the search list. It does not delete your account activity or anything else on X. So to recap, if you want to delete one saved search, tap the search bar, find the search, and click the X next to it. If you want to delete everything, open the search bar, choose Clear All, and confirm if needed. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.